In this video, I will show you how to use Klarna online and in-store. Firstly, open your preferred browser. In the search bar, type Klarna and click Enter. Left-click the first link that appears. In the Klarna official website, in the top right corner, click the Login button to log into Klarna. After logging into Klarna on the Klarna homepage, your interface will look something like this. Klarna is very simple to use. In the middle of the page, you have all your orders that you have placed. Right next to the Orders tab, you have the Return and Refunds tab, where you can see all your refunds and returns. Below all that, Klarna shows the money you owe them in your currency. To use Klarna online on the home page, you can search the brand or product in the search bar. Simply left-click the search bar and type what you are looking for. In the left side of the Klarna homepage, above the Cards tab, you have a Budget tab. Left-click on it. This will take you to the Budget menu. Here you can set your monthly budget. If you scroll down, you can also see how much you have spent in the current month. Now, to use Klarna in-store, you must do an extra step. In the left side of the homepage, you have an option labeled Cards. If you click on it, you will be able to order a Klarna card. You need a Klarna card to shop in-store. There is no way around this.